I just want to internalize the costume that I will be wearing, and I just want to enjoy that show because the year before that, CJ, I saw how amazing Queen CJ was, and I just want to be like that, just having fun and show the creativity of the costume that I will wear. Yes, kasi naisip ko nung tinanong ni Mama Teresa how active I am in social media, that question doesn't mean like you posting the brands, promoting Miss Grand. It's all about you, how aware you are of what's happening around, especially in my country, Philippines. That's why I took that opportunity to ask for their prayers also. I saw that Mama Teresa bow down, like parang siyang nakikisimpatya sa atin. And for now, please magkaisa po tayo. Tulong-tulong, I can see a lot of volunteers helping. And sana mas dumami pa, babangon tayo. For the 12 days that we've been here, I can see the effort of... Hala, ang hirap. Ang dami kasing magaganda. Well, I can see the effort of Peru. Even of what happened. Hala, sino pa ba? Dalawa na lang. I can see the effort also of Czech Republic. Yeah, Czech Republic and Ghana. Yeah, I love Ghana. I love Ghana. The environment itself, parang ang light lang kasi ng aura dito sa Wahin. I love beaches, but I do like to stay on the shade part.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.